I've really been wanting to try one of these fineries, and I really want to do this pistachio please, but every time I come in Target, it's never in stock. I know this Not Another Cherry, I think, is a dupe for Tom Ford possibly, but I have like the real Alma Musk at home, but I really want to try this pistachio please. They have it in the mist, but I definitely want it in the perfume. So maybe one day while I'm in this store, they will have it in stock. I had to pick up a order, so I am so torn. I have wanted one of these Vuitton Plus for several weeks now, but I feel like it is so wasteful because I have a Keurig and I have a Casa Brew, but I just really want one of these, and it's such a great price right now. It's $127.99, and I believe there's an additional 15% off of kitchen appliances going on today. I just cannot buy have three different coffee makers on my counter. I don't know. I just feel it's a bit wasteful. Although I would love some Nespresso in my life. I absolutely love peppermint bark during the holidays.
Can I get a gingerbread?
A gingerbread house? Yeah, go ahead. They're $10. When are you gonna put it together?
Probably.
Does it include everything? Yeah. Gingerbread pieces, icing, and candy. Okay.
I need Skittles and a can of vanilla icing.
What kind of Skittles? Like individual Skittles? Is it to decorate with?
No, it's for school.
It's to pass out for a party? So do you need the fun size or the individual ones? Let me see.
Fun size.
The frosting should be somewhere over here. So you need regular Skittles?
Yes.
Like these?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go ahead and get them. And then you need icing?
Yes.
Alright. I'm trying my hardest not to eat candy this week or next week or the week after that. I have such a bad habit. I keep candy in my desk, and in between meetings, I eat candy throughout the day. It's such a terrible habit. I need more caramel sauce, but have you guys ever tried these skinny mixes? I don't know. I try to limit my sugar intake because I eat enough candy, but I don't too much care for the sugar-free Tarani. But I wonder if you guys have tried these skinny mixes. Tell me what you think about those. Hey friends, welcome back. It's Life with Tamika Lynn, and this is day 5 of Vlogmas. I must admit, this is a lot of work. I mean, when you're busy and you don't really do content creation, full time, you kind of just do it in your spare time. Finding that spare time on days that you normally would not, it's hard, but I am enjoying it. I love a challenge, and I've just been really thrilled to make these little quick videos for you guys. I am getting feedback, which makes me so happy, and I'm just glad that you guys are enjoying it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I keep telling you guys, it's free for us to be friends. I would love for you to know when I'm posting, so also hit that bell notification so that you get that awareness every time I upload a new video. So I went to Target, as you guys saw, and now for my bag of the day or video or whatnot, I said this whole Vlogmas, I'm going to show a bag a day, and we'll discuss it a little bit. And then if you guys want to see more of that, leave me some comments below and I'll make, a more in-depth video. But today's bag is the Palm Springs Mini. And she's cute, small, but mighty. I love this purse. Just to give you a little bit of detail. So this purse was, the design was remade because it used to have like a little lip thing right here. So the design was kind of like tweaked a little bit. Maybe there were some quality issues with the zipper or whatnot. I don't know, but I have the version after that little tweak was done. So my zipper shows, as you can see, it has one zipper to open it, like so. And then it has a little pocket down here. And this zipper and pocket, it's kind of tight. I honestly I never use this little pocket, but I'm assuming it's like really hard. I can't even get my fingers in it, guys. It's like really, really hard. But I'm assuming maybe some AirPods would fit in here, maybe like a single key or something. But the space is so small and my hands just don't fit. I never use that little pocket. To me, it's more for aesthetics. And then it does have a little handle at the top. It's monogrammed with black leather trim, which I love. Very carefree bag. On the inside, let me just take out the straps. On the inside, it's black textile lining, and there is one little pocket right here, a little slip pocket, if you guys could see that. This pocket would definitely, you could slip a phone in there. You can also slip like a little card holder, maybe your keys, but something could definitely go in there. And then the other part of the bag is just one little open space. The bag does have 2 straps that it came with. So on the back, there's these little D-rings, and there's the 2 straps that are supposed to connect, you know, to make it a backpack. But I've never worn it like that. So one strap is still in the plastic because I've never used it. And then the strap I do use is right here. So both straps are adjustable. As you can see, they have these little like nodule things right here, and you could pull it apart to adjust with the different holes that are in the strap. So the setting I have it on right now, it goes crossbody, and that's how I wear the bag. It is detachable as well, of course. Gold hardware, the little claw clip things, they just say LV on them. And how I normally wear the bag is I put the strap on the top 2 D-rings, and then I wear it crossbody. And I'll try to find some pictures to insert. I know I have a few because I carry this bag a lot. It's like such a great grab and go bag, especially when you're trying to be light and on the go. Like I said, I carry it crossbody, so it's kind of out of the way. But yeah, this is one of my favorite bags. I use it a lot. It's just so cute. I've just never worn it any other way except crossbody, so I can't really give you feedback on wearing it as an actual backpack, you know, on your back. The other strap, I haven't had a reason to use it either with any other purse that I own, so it's just, you know, kind of been in the bag, and I keep my straps inside of my purses when they're not in use. I still have the little card from LV that says like the product code number, and then the other little tag thingy is just like the textile card. But yeah, so this is the Palm Springs Mini. I am currently still, if you've been watching, you know, these Vlogmas videos, I've been using my Victorine wallet Empreinte. It would actually match very well with this wallet, and it definitely would fit no problem. But when I'm sorry, it would match this bag. The wallet would match the bag, and it fits no problem. Now, when I carry this purse, I tend to like to carry this wallet, and this is the Recto Verso wallet. It is monogram in black, and it has 3 card slots on the back at the top, and then a card could fit right here. It also has a snap closure in the front, and more cards could go here. I usually put more cards here. And then there's also this little space as well where cards could go. And then that's like a card, like a reminder card. And then there's also a open zip pocket where you could put like change or cash or more cards if you so choose to do. And then it also has a key ring holder. So if I wanted to, I could attach, you know, my keys to the wallet and be on my way. But sometimes I attach keys here, but more than often I don't. I just kind of keep that inside of there. I put bills in here if I'm carrying cash, and then I just use the front and the back for cards. But I really like this combination together, which is usually why I carry this when I carry this bag. Depending on what wallet I'm using, I usually always swap out to grab this when I'm carrying this bag. So back to what I was saying as far as what I'm carrying this week. So the Empreinte wallet, and the mini pochette, and this is in Damier Ebene. They both fit in this wallet, no problem. And my phone would still fit. I could still fit my keys in here. I can probably get like another lip gloss. I could, if I was using a card holder, that would fit, and I would still have a little bit of room. So as you can see, it's small but mighty, which is why it makes such a cute little grab and go purse, especially when you're wearing it crossbody. So that's my bag of the day. I hope you have enjoyed Vlogmas Day 5. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you have video suggestions, leave it down below. Each day when I'm trying to figure out what bag to go over, I like stand there like, what would make a good bag for the day? So I hope you guys are enjoying this because I am putting some thought and effort into it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until tomorrow, be safe.